think we have to look at multiple ways of selling products and brands to our customers. And pure e-commerce is also one of the ways. Physical store is one of the way. Omni-channel is going to be another way. We are working on BigBazaarDirect.com. That's another way. So in case there is another new form of delivering, taking orders for products and services, we'll engage in that also.
You said that the space e-commerce occupies in the mind of individuals is much bigger than their market share. Are you still skeptical of e-commerce despite tying up with Amazon?
I'm not skeptical on anything, but I think the mind share is definitely much larger than the physical business which they are doing here.
Right. And do you think that's unreasonable?
There's nothing unreasonable. I think the idea is interesting. A lot of money is flowing into that sector. So a lot of people are interested to know what's happening in this space.
Right. What is the scope of e-commerce coming 5 years down the line in the overall retail market of India?
I think there will be many new things which will keep on coming up. Today is the world of e-commerce. A lot of attention, a lot of interest is getting developed. So I think this will last for the next 6 months, and then the interest will move on to something else.
Apart from the regulatory clarity, do you think FDI and e-commerce should be allowed as soon as possible?
I think FDI as a concept for retail itself should be made much more transparent, much more understandable, much more implementable, and for that it needs a major overhaul.
And what about this classic conflict of profitability versus the price war that's going on in e-commerce right now?
I think it's anybody who has money can play around with that money. So till the time the money lasts, one can't say much about it.
Would you ever take that route?
I don't think so. Anybody's going to fund me to make losses now.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.